Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, looking for the perfect barbecue grill to level up your outdoor cooking in 2025? Whether you're a weekend warrior or a true grill master, we've rounded up the top barbecue grills that deliver unbeatable flavor, serious heat, and next-level performance. In this video, you'll discover which grills are worth your money, and which one might just become your backyard MVP this summer. Let's fire it up. Starting at number 5, we have Weber Spirit 2E310. Tired of uneven heat and weak ignition on your grill? The Weber Spirit 2E310 solves that with its powerful GS4 grilling system, delivering fast starts, consistent flames, and easy grease management. You get 529 square inches of cooking space over 3 burners, perfect for family cookouts. Plus, the porcelain enameled cast iron grates lock in flavor and are super easy to clean. With 2 side tables and a 10-foot natural gas hose, it's built for convenience. Honestly, this grill's a beast. Durable, reliable, and made for serious backyard chefs. Moving on. At number 4, we have Masterbuilt AutoIgnite 545. Hate choosing between gas convenience and charcoal flavor? With the Masterbuilt AutoIgnite 545, you get both. Just hit the quick start button. No lighter fluid, no hassle. The digital fan system keeps your temp locked in, whether you're slow smoking at 250 degrees or searing at 650 degrees. Plus, with 545 square inches of cooking space and a mini hopper that runs up to 8 hours, it's built for serious grilling. This smart charcoal grill makes barbecue effortless. And the flavor? Next level. If you love tech and taste, this one's a game changer. At number 3, we have Komado Joe Classic II. Tired of juggling temperatures and cramped grill space? The Komado Joe Classic II solves that with its 2-tier divide and conquer system, letting you cook multiple foods, styles, and temps at once. The control tower vent gives you pinpoint airflow control from 225 degrees Fahrenheit smoking to 750 degrees Fahrenheit searing. And with the airlift hinge, lifting the heavy ceramic dome feels effortless. This 18-inch ceramic beast is built for serious grill masters who want versatility, precision, and comfort. Honestly, it's one of the smartest, most powerful grills out there, worth every penny. At number 2, we have Breeo Live-Fire Grill. Want to take your backyard grilling to the next level? The Breeo Live-Fire Grill brings that primal, open flame experience. No gas, just real wood or charcoal flavor. With the adjustable outpost grilling system and a sturdy skillet rest, you get total control over your cook. It's expandable, durable, and fully compatible with Breo's X24 accessories, making it super versatile. Cleanup's a breeze with the removable ashtray and stainless steel build. If you love live fire cooking and crave serious flavor, this grill bundle is absolutely worth checking out. And finally, at number 1, Trager Woodridge Pro. Want that deep, smoky barbecue flavor without messing with charcoal or gas? The Trager Woodridge Pro delivers rich, wood-fired taste at the push of a button. With 970 square inches of cooking space, you can smoke up to 9 racks of ribs, perfect for game days or big family feasts. The Wi-Fi Smart Tech lets you control everything from your phone, including pellet levels and temp. Add in Super Smoke Mode for extra flavor, and you've got a grill that's as smart as it is delicious. This one's a backyard barbecue powerhouse.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.